Looking for a way to rescue dry, brittle hair and bring it back to life? Olaplex No.0 promises exactly that. A patented formula designed to repair extreme damage and rebuild broken bonds deep within your hair. If your hair feels fragile or over-processed, this product could be the game changer you've been searching for. I've spent years bleaching my hair, and the damage was undeniable. That's when I added Olaplex No.0 to my routine. What stood out immediately was how it preps the hair for intense repair, especially when paired with Olaplex No.3. Unlike many treatments loaded with silicones and oils, No.0 uses a unique molecule that works from the inside out, strengthening hair strands without weighing them down. The result? Softer, shinier hair that feels stronger after just one use. What makes Olaplex No.0 even more appealing is its commitment to sustainability. By limiting secondary packaging, the brand reduces its carbon footprint, a thoughtful touch for those who care about the environment as much as their hair. While Olaplex products are an investment, the results and the ability to try a variety of items through trial kits make it worth considering. If you're ready to stop struggling with damaged hair and want a proven way to rebuild strength and shine, Olaplex No.0 is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to see real change and enjoy healthier hair that stands up to daily wear and tear.